Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Tempo Labs review. Tempo Labs 2025 is an AI powered platform designed to accelerate React app development, combining visual design, code generation, and collaboration in one workspace. This browser based IDE lets you build UI components with natural language or drag and drop, then export or deploy them while integrating with your React projects. The pros include a tenfold speed boost, enabling rapid component creation and a smooth collaboration with Storybook, Figma, GitHub, and VS Code integration. It supports production ready deployment with templates for Stripe, Supabase, or Expo, with weekly updates to minimize AI errors. The downside, it's React only, has a prompt learning curve, token limits in the free tier, and occasional support issues. Overall, Temple Labs is ideal for teams or individuals focused on React front end development, offering fast, production ready UI creation with AI assisted coding and real world workflow integration. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.